Okay, so when you guys are starting off with your leading, if they don't know what you're asking yet, your goal is to keep a smile in your lead line, just like Paul has there, and to go as small as they need. So he's taking pretty big steps right now, but she does already know how to lead, but they should lead as fast as you walk. So if he puts toe to heel, sometimes that's how fast you can go when you start, and then she stops, and then you just got to wait for her. Okay? Now she's going.
Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. Hopefully these videos are helpful for you.
Now, if you guys are practicing leading in a pen like this, sometimes they're most comfortable when you are between them and the panel. Okay? So he's keeping a smile on the lead line. And then you see he's taking such tiny little baby steps. And when your donkey is first learning, that's okay if that's all you can do. As they gain confidence with you, you'll be able to go faster. Paul, try to go faster. See how fast you can walk with her. Okay? As they gain confidence, they'll go with you. All right, guys. So if they're kind of hesitant because there's something scary or they don't want to be between the panel, just do whatever makes it easier. So right now, she's not between the panel and Paul. Paul's between the panel and her. And you can start off going slow, and you can owe them or give them payment for every step, and then every 3 steps or every 10 steps or going halfway around or a full time around. You're just going to keep increasing what they need to do for payment. Now try to walk fast. See how fast you can go. She's doing pretty good. And this will keep improving. Now, if we take her to a spot that she's uncomfortable with, this will all change again, guys. If you guys are finding this information helpful, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. All right, so now we change things up, and she's between the panel and Paul, and you can see she's kind of moving like her feet are stuck in the mud. Okay, so that just that little bit of change makes things a little bit more scary. So you're going to try to keep aiming them to be where you want them to be. And Paul, right now, I would slow down. I would slow down so you can get her up by your shoulder and then take little tiny baby steps. There, now she's coming with you. Take another baby step. Just keep doing little baby steps. Get her with you. Now she's trying to get to your other side. You're going to have to block her. Now ask her to come forward again. Now let's say you guys are in this predicament. One thing you can do as the person walking your donkey is move farther away from the panel. And your donkey might just start walking nicer for you because something is not as scary as it was. But you see how now she's kind of hiding behind Paul. So you're going to keep your left hand out to try to aim them where you want them to go. And this all will get better. Now go right down the middle. Let's see how well she walks with you on her right side, right down the middle. So see, here she's still trying to stay kind of behind Paul a little bit. And for some things, that's okay. When I first trained Seamus how to, walk nice and that, we would move slow like molasses, and now he'll trot by my side. One thing I noticed though is when we were packing in our hunting camp, he still wanted to walk by my side. He didn't understand about walking behind me because we were navigating through trees and stuff. So you're just going to practice this a lot. Now, right now, Paul's keeping a pretty tight lead.
Thank you for watching this channel. Can you please like and subscribe? Una says also you should like and subscribe.
So he's keeping that pretty tight lead rope, but you want to try to do pressure and release as much as you can, guys.